Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to just let you guys know and update you. I haven't made a lot of videos recently. It's extremely busy, right? I've been extremely busy. But I did want to update you guys on something that I actually just created. I actually just bought my first strong node on December 11th and actually input the day down here. You guys can see the node was started on 12/11/2021. So I can keep track of how much it's actually made since exactly that day. As of right now, we are on day, what, 12/11, we are on 14th. So as of, well, not 3 full days. I actually made this Saturday night. So technically, it's only been running for Sunday and Monday as of right now. So for 2 full days, and it's made me 0.23 strong. Strong right now is going at about the payouts for every single monthly is around 3 coins for Strong. As of right now, Strong is sitting at somewhere around $400. So, oh, by the way, I did a forecast on Bitcoin to hit 45.78, and it pretty much did. Forecast was back from December 12th. And it hit. So I gotta start making more videos, man, for you guys. But forecast hit. Strong right now is $413, and I made 0.23 in 2 days, which would actually put us at 413 times 0.23. I've made almost $95 in 2 days, which is absolutely ridiculous. Let me see, $95 times, let's go with 31. So in 1 day, I'm making around $95 every 2. Oh, sorry, actually that's actually not right. 95 times 15. Yeah. So in 1 month, passively, I will be making around $1,400 with one strong node. I had a little bit of trouble with only one part. There's actually a video that I saw on YouTube to kind of help me through the process. It wasn't as, accurate as it should have been, because I actually freaked out a little bit because there was a very important part of the process left out of that YouTube video. So I think I'm gonna make my own process of this. Big shout out to Outrageous from my Patreon, and from our Patreon crypto chat. He helped me out a little bit along the way, and he kind of helped me from freaking out, because I thought I sent like $5,000 to my, I thought I sent like $5,000 into my MetaMask wallet, and it all disappeared. I'm not that dumb. I only sent like half of a strong node to just test it out, and I was like, oh, where's my money? And he helped me out. But so, quick shout out to him. But I will be doing my own process of how to actually, create a node. If you guys would like to, keep in mind, I love this project. I love Strong. I think Strong has a lot of great things. I think they're actually expanding. I think they're going to be expanding to huge things. So personally, I will be buying more Strong. Just as a quick overview, Strong token, that with 10 Strong, you're able to open one node, and that one node kind of helps the network out, stay strong and stuff. I don't know exactly what it does, so I got to do more research on this. But so far the payout is almost $100 in 2 days. So why am I, there's no reason for me to not buy more. I'm planning on buying I want to have at least 10 strong nodes, man. I'll be completely honest with you guys. I want to have at least 10 strong nodes. And then as soon as that full payout comes in, I'm cashing out of everything. And then, I'm leaving my initial investment. Well, I'm taking out my initial investment. That way it's basically worry-free, right? You don't have to worry about anything after that. So just a quick update. I did put my first my first node. It was about $5,000 that I supported, for like around $4,500 to $5,000 to buy it. But if it's paying out $1,400 a month, I'm basically making out my full investment back in about 3 months. So as long as Strong doesn't go under in 3 months, I think I'm good to go. But it's not bad. After 2 days and I already made $100 literally doing nothing, it's ridiculous to me. And I think Strong is going nowhere but up. So I'll see you guys later. Just a quick update. Have a great day. Bye-bye.